before I start this beastly unboxing, I'd just like to give a quick shout out to the Apple Spam. His link will be in the sidebar. He does unboxings, reviews, and all that fun jazz, so definitely check him out. Link will be in the sidebar, and let's just get straight on into the video. Hey guys, the Random Unboxer 101 here with an unboxing. Another random unboxing my mom got from eBay, and it's a Dyson vacuum cleaner. So let's just go ahead and get straight on into it. There we go, guys. 1,000,000 years later. And first thing off the bat, we have, this is brand spanking new, guys, and we got it for $115 off. So that's really cool.
Our story, very nice. And just got the rubber vacuum cleaner. Very quality, not the best, and using the code of DS6, like I said, it's really heavy, there's some storage, very cool. This has some manuals and all that jazz, so not so interesting stuff.
And here's a tube which is, I believe, connected to the vacuum cleaner. Yeah, so check that out. That is beastly, guys. Wow. This probably won't even fit all on screen, but look at that. It's a monster. Nice. Yes, that's cool. Whoa. Okay. And there's all this beastly tubing. Tell me what you think of these random unboxings. Comment down below. Here we have the vacuum cleaner itself, which isn't that big and heavy, to be honest with you guys. Oh my god, that's all that's in this cardboard thing.
So this is the thing itself, very nice.
But yeah. So here it is. We'll take a look at this later on. Oh, this is elastic. We'll take a look at this after. And yeah, these devices. And that's all that's in the box. Okay guys, so here's the main thing itself, the vacuum cleaner. That's all that's in the plastic bag. So there, you got a little instruction booklet. I know you can't see it, but whatever. So man, look at this beastly little vacuum cleaner. Beast. Look at this work of art, guys. It's a beastly vacuum cleaner. Is it not? Come on. So there's the vacuum cleaner itself. Let's just open this on screen. That's all that's in the purple bag. Here we have a nice tube thing. Here, this is for little carpet, sofas, whatever, and this is just random. Here's the beastly vacuum cleaner. Man, that is big. No joke. Take a look at that. Beastly.
This one's with the elastic travel through here. Okay, those are the elastics.
And here it is. So this one's like kind of brush material. Looks cool. Check that out. Yeah, that's right. So that's all there is to this massive unboxing, and there's the tube over there, which I did show you earlier, and I'm like, that's a beastly tube, so yeah. So, thanks for watching this attempt of an unboxing. Please rate, favorite, comment, subscribe, and that's all I have for you guys for today. Peace.